Yes, thank you, Madam Chair and members. I'd like to begin by accepting the committee amendments to extend the 60-day grace period for firearms safety certificate renewal to 120 days. And I'm here to present today SB 1253, which will make essential updates to the firearms safety certificate program to keep California communities safe. California has made great strides in recent decades to reduce gun violence. However, accidental and unintentional shootings continue to be a leading cause of firearm-related incidents in the state, particularly for children, contributing to roughly 30% of all firearm-related deaths and injuries from 2016 to 2022. SB 1253 will close this loophole and increase firearm safety by requiring firearm owners to renew their safety certificate every 5 years as opposed to a one-time certificate at the point of sale as required under current law. This will also ensure that firearm owners are up to date on firearm safety laws and best practices, including safe storage and handling. Testifying in support today, I have Rebecca Marcus on behalf of the Consumer Protection Policy Center at the University of San Diego School of Law. I respectfully ask for an aye vote on SB 1253.
Thank you, and you have one witness, correct? Only one, Senator?
Yes.
Okay. You have 2 minutes.
Right.
Thank you.
Good morning, Chair and members. Rebecca Marcus, representing the Consumer Protection Policy Center at the University of San Diego School of Law. CPPC is a nonprofit, nonpartisan academic center of research, teaching, learning, and advocacy in regulatory and public interest law. From 2016 to 2021, there were close to 70,000 gunshot wound incidents that resulted in death or required urgent medical attention. 45% were the result of self-harm, either an accident or an act of suicide. Of the 15% that were the result of intentional self-harm, there was a 91% fatality rate. As the data shows, there are many ways in which California communities are impacted by gun violence. Not all legislative bills to combat gun violence should focus on targeting criminals or illegal firearms. Strategic legislation should be used to help reduce the number of unnecessary deaths and injuries that impact our communities. FSCs, or firearm safety certificates, were established so every firearm owner could understand and follow firearm safety practices. The FSC test requires the applicant to be provided with information regarding responsible handling and securing the owner's firearm, proper transfer of a firearm, and suicide prevention. Current law requires a person to acquire this FSC before the purchase or reception of any firearm, with exceptions. However, there is no requirement for a firearm owner to recertify that firearm safety certificate after its expiration. Further, there is no requirement for a person who brings the firearm outside the state, from outside the state. As you know, this body passes numerous laws each year related to gun safety and violence prevention. We should make sure gun owners are educated on them. Additionally, those importing from out of state.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. We urge an aye vote.